if you get a fuel pump error in your iDrive, you got to definitely change the EKP unit, which is the fuel pump relay. This one is with a chip, so you need to code it as well. For now, I have the F01 fuel pump with me because I don't have the E71. So I'm gonna swap it and see. So for this, you need to remove the battery cover from here, and once you remove the battery cover, you can see the EKP unit over there. It's held by two 10mm plastic screws, and this one is the connector, which can be easily removed by using a flathead screwdriver. Just like this, just press it and press it outwards. Just like that. The other one also you can do the same and remove this particular nut using a long. It's better to use a long 10mm box, because the other side also you need to remove. For that you need space. If you don't have space, you can just remove this cover, which comes in here, and when you remove that cover, you will have more space in here to remove the nut. So just remove this part, and there should be a locking plastic plugs in here. You have to remove that. Once you remove that, you can just pull it up. There will be one over there as well. Sorry about this. Here there is a hole. There should be a plastic clip over there as well. So after that, you can just pull it up, and you can see the particular nut that I was telling about. So from here, you will just put the box and move this way. So there you have ample space. Just press this one with the flathead and pull it back. This connector as well. We got the unit back. So I'm gonna replace it with another one. This is also from a junkyard. I'm gonna install it and see if it will work or not. Previously I used install one and it was working, but intermittently it was giving me fuel pump error message. So I just want to double check if the issue is with the compatibility, or I can just use the F01 EKPM3 with my E70. So let's see if it will work or not. If it doesn't work, then I have to use E70 particular model itself. The entire chip is different in this one. I tried opening and it was really different. I'll show you that later on. So we are back in the car. I'm just gonna try starting the car without coding. So it started for a while and just died by itself. See that? This is without coding. So now we'll try after coding the car. So I'm in my ProTool. The ignition must be on. So we have the options in here. Actually the fuel module should come in drivetrain, but it's not showing, so I'm gonna refresh the ECUs. Still the fuel system did not come, so go to engine, coding, factory code itself, code my car. And see here it's in English. Now if we cycle, it will go to our previous type. So I'm gonna cycle the ignition. So after coding the ECU, the EKP started working. So I think this is the way you need to do in the new ProTool application. So now it's working, but we'll see if it will stay like this or if the error will come back, as I have installed the EKP of F01 on an E70. I'll open up the EKP and show you how it looks like, what the difference between both. Here I have the EKP unit of E70 in here to the left, which has a smaller circuit board, and to the right I have the F01 EKP unit, which is a larger one, and the box itself, the enclosure itself, is bigger than what we have for the E70. So this is the difference. This is how you can identify it easily. The connectors are same, but the enclosure itself is different. So if you don't have E71, you can just go ahead and buy F01 for now. That's it. If you like my video, just hit a like, and please subscribe if you want to see further videos, and hopefully we'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.